Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about different types of maintenance in manufacturing industry. Let's jump right into it. In the realm of manufacturing, maintaining equipment is essential to ensure smooth operations, prevent breakdowns, and optimize production efficiency. There are various types of maintenance strategies tailored to address different needs and challenges. Let's explore each type in simple terms. 1. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance involves regularly scheduled inspections, servicing, and repairs of equipment to prevent potential failures. It aims to identify and address issues before they lead to downtime or costly repairs. 2. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance relies on data analysis and predictive technology to anticipate when equipment is likely to fail. By monitoring parameters such as temperature, vibration, and performance metrics, manufacturers can schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and maximizing uptime. 3. Reactive maintenance. Reactive maintenance, also known as breakdown maintenance, involves repairing equipment only after it fails. While this approach may seem cost-effective initially, it can lead to unexpected downtime and higher repair costs in the long run. 4. Corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance focuses on repairing equipment after a failure occurs. Unlike reactive maintenance, corrective maintenance involves planned repairs and aims to restore equipment to its optimal functioning state as quickly as possible. 5. Condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance relies on real-time data from sensors and monitoring devices to assess the health of equipment. By continuously monitoring factors such as temperature, pressure, and performance indicators, manufacturers can determine the optimal time for maintenance activities. 6. Risk-based maintenance. Risk-based maintenance prioritizes maintenance activities based on the level of risk associated with equipment failure. It involves assessing the likelihood and consequences of failure to prioritize maintenance efforts on critical assets. 7. Reliability-centered maintenance, RCM. Reliability-centered maintenance is a systematic approach that identifies the most efficient maintenance tasks to ensure the reliability and safety of equipment. It involves analyzing the functions and failure modes of assets to determine the most appropriate maintenance strategies. 8. Total productive maintenance, TPM. Total productive maintenance focuses on maximizing the efficiency and effectiveness of equipment by involving all employees in the maintenance process. It aims to eliminate equipment breakdowns, defects, and accidents through proactive maintenance and continuous improvement efforts. Each type of maintenance in manufacturing offers unique advantages and challenges. By understanding these different strategies and their implications, manufacturers can develop a comprehensive maintenance program tailored to their specific needs, ultimately optimizing production efficiency, minimizing downtime, and controlling costs. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.